Hey everybody, Robert Crow here, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance in Northern Colorado. Thanks for joining me today to do a walking tour video on my new listing at 6613 33rd Street Road in Greeley, Colorado. Here we are, up in the drone. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful house. You are gonna love it. The setting is park-like. It's almost like backing to a golf course. You've got these little rolling knolls, you've got evergreen trees. It is delightful. And then on the side of the house, you back to further green space and a trail that goes throughout the St. Michael's neighborhood. So come on in. You had a shot there of the new front door that my clients put on. They also added some cedar gable accents as well. That entire exterior was actually repainted just 2 years ago. And then here we are inside, and I feel like we're in this English country cottage. I feel like I'm back home. This is beautiful. They have done so much work. This house is immaculate. I'm losing my words to describe just how well taken care of this property is. You have vaulted ceilings. Those hardwood floors are gleaming. You could literally see your reflection in them. They've updated the kitchen, so the cabinets have been refinished. You've got that vertical and horizontal stacked subway tile, new granite, stainless steel appliances. That's a double oven. You've got upper and under cabinetry lighting. Through here, we've got the laundry, washer and dryer staying. To the left there is a little coat closet and then the door to the 2.5 car garage. So you can put 2 cars in there, and these current owners also had a camper stored in there as well. So come on in. This is the primary suite. It's a ranch property, of course. Vaulted ceilings in here. And again, just look at this. It's so relaxing and peaceful. It's so beautifully decorated. This home is just an absolute gem. And with the lot that they have back into that green space and the trees, wow, this is going to go fast. That granite is new in the bathroom. We'll also see that granite in the guest bathroom on this level as well. We have 3 bedrooms on this main floor. The primary suite, as you can see here, with twin closets, so his and hers closets, their walk-in shower. And then we have 2 guest bedrooms that we're gonna see just around the corner. So back through the living area, so you have some nice privacy from those guest rooms at the front of the home from the primary suite at the back. Guest room number 1, immaculate. And the sellers are even having the carpets cleaned just before the first showings. Beautiful carpets as well. High quality carpentry. Guest bathroom, full bathroom with a tub and shower. I mean, she has 3 towels stacked. Not even my mom has 3 towels stacked. Nobody outdoes Jenny for that kind of thing. Anyhow, come on in. This is the second guest room, 3rd bedroom. My clients are empty nesters, so currently that's just being used as an office. But of course, with the closet there, you are very welcome to use that for whatever you would like to. All right, look at those hardwood floors again. Immaculate. It's rare that I sell a home that just is this perfect from the day that I walk in. So coming downstairs to the basement, and if upstairs was like, well, the main floor was like an English country cottage, this is like a Colorado retreat. Slate front fireplace there. It's controlled by a thermostat on the wall. Beautiful paint colors. I mean, it is just delightful down here, especially with that fire going. Great little office nook library as well around the corner. So if you use an office on the main level as a bedroom, somebody else could have an office workstation down here. Another great bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom in the house, the 3rd of the guest rooms. And this bedroom has a huge big closet. We don't always film closets, but if you went back in there, it goes back quite a way. So it's almost like having another primary suite. Lots of storage off to my left. You'll see storage ahead of you where you see the concrete wall, and then storage under the stairs for holiday seasonal items. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, I wanted to take a shower in here so badly. Who has a shower this beautiful in a basement? These people do. I mean, it almost feels like you've rented a luxury Colorado retreat for the weekend when you're down in this basement. And then we're going to pop around the corner here, just see some of this extra storage. The current owners on this property, they're using it as a bit of a gym. They've got a freezer in there, a couple of safes. You can use it for whatever you want, but nice to know that if you wanted to put a running machine in there, you could. Come on out back. This is the park-like setting that I have been boasting about. This lot is 0.14 of an acre, and you'll clearly see kind of where this home's lot stops. Off the garage is a service door. Always nice to point out there. You can see your AC. But look at this backyard. I mean, wow. So you have all that HOA space to enjoy. You never have to mow it. Final shot from the drone. Come on down front. Wow, wow, wow. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance. Thanks so much for watching my new listing at 6613 33rd Street Road in Greeley, Colorado. As always, reach out to me using the information on screen and have a fabulous day.